Scene script. Have you ever wondered what life would be like on Mars? Let's take a moment and think about our home, Earth, the one place in the vast cosmos where we know life exists. It's a world where gravity keeps us grounded, where the atmosphere shields us from harmful solar radiation, and where weather patterns, though sometimes unpredictable, are within a range that allows us to survive. It's a place abundant in resources: water, food, minerals, everything necessary for us to thrive. We're lucky, aren't we? Our planet's unique blend of conditions and resources has shaped every aspect of our existence, from the way we live our daily lives to the complex systems we've developed over centuries. But let's stir the pot a little, shake up the status quo. Imagine for a moment trading the familiar blue of our world for the stark red of Mars. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? Imagine stepping onto the surface of Mars for the first time. The ground beneath you, a dusty red, the sky above, a hazy pink. It's a stark contrast to the blues and greens we're used to on Earth. But could this alien landscape be a new home for humanity? Mars, often called the Red Planet, is a place of intrigue and mystery. It's not just the color that makes it stand out, but the potential it holds for life. Its gravity, for instance, is about 38% of that on Earth. While this could mean you'd be able to leap around like a superhero, it also presents a challenge. Our bodies are designed for Earth's gravity. Long-term exposure to reduced gravity could lead to significant health issues like muscle and bone loss. But gravity is just one piece of the puzzle. The Martian atmosphere is another. It's thin, mainly composed of carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen and argon. There's very little oxygen. Simply put, we couldn't breathe there. Spacesuits would be a necessity, not just an accessory. And then there's the weather. Mars is no tropical paradise. Temperatures can plummet to negative 80 degrees Celsius at night, and while daytime temperatures can reach a relatively balmy 20 degrees Celsius, the average is closer to negative 60. This extreme cold, combined with the planet's thin atmosphere, means we'd need shelter. Lots of it. So what about resources? Water is a critical necessity for life, and Mars does have it, but it's mostly frozen in the planet's polar ice caps. Extracting it and making it usable would be a major challenge. And let's not forget food. We'd need to grow our own, as resupply missions from Earth would be few and far between. But with Mars's thin atmosphere, low temperatures, and dusty soil, farming would be no easy task. So it's clear that life on Mars would be vastly different from life on Earth. But would it be possible? With the right technology, the right preparation, and a hearty dose of human ingenuity, perhaps we could make the Red Planet our new home. Survival on Mars would require us to adapt in ways we've never had to on Earth. Picture this: a world where our survival depends on the development of innovative technologies, pushing the boundaries of what we currently deem possible. To tackle the scarcity of water, we could turn to the Martian soil, known as regolith. This soil contains water ice, which, with the right technology, could be extracted and purified for consumption and agriculture. Speaking of agriculture, sourcing food on a barren planet poses yet another challenge, but fret not, as the ingenious advent of hydroponics and aeroponics could allow us to grow crops in controlled environments, using mineral nutrient solutions in water without soil. These adaptations, paired with advancements in renewable energy sources and radiation shielding, could make life on Mars not just a wild idea, but a tangible reality. Indeed, life on Mars would be a challenge, but not an impossibility. So, could we one day call the Red Planet our home? A question that sparks a multitude of ideas and possibilities. As we've explored in this video, life on Mars would present significant challenges, from the harsh, cold environment to the lack of breathable air. Yet, human ingenuity has a way of overcoming even the most formidable obstacles. Scientists and engineers are already working on potential solutions, such as terraforming and biodomes. Moreover, ongoing research and exploration missions like NASA's Mars 2020 rover and SpaceX's Starship are helping us understand Mars better and prepare for eventual human settlement. These missions are laying the groundwork for future astronauts, gathering crucial data about the planet's geology, climate, and potential for sustaining life. While we may not be packing our bags for Mars just yet, who knows what the future holds? After all, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning.